Everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to transfer Google Play money to Steam. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, follow the steps. Now, transferring Google Play money directly to Steam isn't supported or straightforward process, as they are two separate platforms with different currencies and payment system. Now here's are some indirect methods you could use to move funds between them. So first of all, what you could use is, if you have a Google Play credit, you could use it to buy Google Play gift card, which are available on various websites or in stores. Apart from it, you could also sell Google Play gift card. So some websites and services such as Card Cash, Paxful, or other online platforms allows you to sell Google Play gift card to exchange for cash or other gift card, including Steam gift card and all that. Or else you could also use the money for selling your gift card or Google gift card to purchase Steam gift card. Now, once you have a Steam gift card, you could redeem it on the Steam by going to the Steam redeem or Steam wallet code. Apart from it, you could also use PayPal as a bridge. You could link Google Pay to PayPal, and then you could transfer the funds between them. So these are some of the alternative ways to transfer the funds. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.